I'm from Colombia. I live in Cali, Colombia. I'm 22 years old. I'm studying technology in commercial and business. I want to talk about my family, to describe them. My family composed for 6 people. My dad, my mom, my sister, my nephew, my kid. I want to start to talk about my mom. My mom is called Vicenta. She's 50 years old. She's a housewife. She's smaller than me. Her personality is so great because she's so friendly, confident, honest, tolerant, and a strong woman. She's everything for me. My dad is called Florencio. He's 54 years old. He's taller than me. He's Colombian too. He's good looking. His personality is opposite than me because he's so serious and strict. Sometimes he's bad tempered, but I know he's a good person and I'm proud of him. He's honest, loyal, and optimistic. My sister is called Lina Marcela. She's 26 years old. She works in a company Colombina. She's older and taller than me. She's so beautiful. Her eyes are brown. She has black hair like me. Her personality is so great because she's funny, friendly, hard worker, really honest and creative. My niece is called Emily. She's the princess in my house. She's 9 years old. She's so beautiful. She has blonde hair and white skin. Her personality is so great because she's intelligent, funny, sociable, and obedient. She likes to do exercise every day and go out to the park to play basketball and tennis. My nephew is called Emmanuel. He is 3 years old. He's so handsome. He has black hair and brown eyes. I love his personality because he's intelligent, curious, ingenious, and sensible. He likes to play every time and go out to the park with my mom, my sister, his sister, and me. He loves to watch TV every day, and I love my family. I'm so blessed to have them in my life, and this is everything that I want to say about them.